In this guide, I'm going to show you how to finish and win drag strips. Intro. Now, if you're trying to finish a challenge that asks you to complete drag strips, you need to look for the actual drag strip event, not just drag meets. So open up your map and look for a drag meet location. So for example, I could scroll all the way down here. I know there's a drag strip. There it is. Right over here, you're going to see drag meet right here. What you need to do is look near that, and you're going to see like a strip event right next to it as well. Usually these are going to be right next to the drag meets, and you'll see that strip location right here. There's a bunch of these. For example, you have this Space Dog drag strip. You have this one as well, which is the Horizon Festival drag strip event. But essentially what you need to do is go here, fast travel, or just drive here. And then of course you need to select it, enter it, and then finish in first place to get it completed and to count it as one. If you're stuck, just check around the drag meet locations and you should see the nearby drag strip race. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.